Assalamu alaikum class 8. This is me Sana Uruj and we are studying chapter number 1. In this video we will solve question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 1. Firstly comes to the question number 1 of this exercise. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. According to the commutative property of union, B union A is equals to A union B. We have already studied about properties of union and intersection. For three sets A, B and C, A union B union C is equals to dash. We have bracket on the last two sets B union C. Now we will take bracket on the first two sets A union B, after that union C. Complete the property. A union bracket B intersection C. This is distributive property. A union B intersection A union C. The intersection of two sets consists of dash element. How we will take intersection? We choose common elements between two sets. That's why we are writing common in the blank. The intersection of two sets consists of common elements. The formula for the number of subsets is 2 power n. Why we are writing 2 power n? Because from this formula we can find out the number of set we will make for the power set. Question number 2. State whether the following are true and false. A set containing 3 elements has 6 subsets. False. Why? We know the formula for the number of subsets. 2 power n is the formula. Here n is equals to 3 because we have 3 elements here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 cube is equals to 8. This statement is false. Every set is a subset of itself. Yes, every set is a subset of itself. If we have a set A, B is also the subset of the original set, but this subset is an improper subset. A power set is a subset of the given set. False, because a power set is a set of all the subset. A subset contains all the elements of the superset. This statement is false because a superset contains all the elements of the subset. A superset is the set which has all the element of the another set. An improper subset is equal to the original set. Yes, an improper subset has elements equal to the original set. This statement is true. Question number 3 is list the members of the power set of the following sets. You know what is the power set? Power set is the set of all the subsets. Firstly, we will find out the number of subsets we will make. Number 1 example. We have one set which has member A. P of A means power set of A is equals to 2 power n. What is n here? N is the number of elements of the set. We have only one element in the given set. That's why we are writing n is equals to 1. P of A is equals to 2. N is equals to 1. 2 power 1 is equals to 2. P of A is equals to 2. It's mean I will make 2 subsets of the given set. We can only make 2 subsets of the given set. P of A is equals to, first I will make null set because it is also the subset of the given set, and after that A. We don't have any other member, that's why we have only 2 subset here. Now comes to the example number 2. X, Y. P of A is equals to 2 power n. You know about that. What is n here? N is the number of elements of the set. We have 2 members in the given set. N is equals to 2. P of A is equals to 2 power 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. P of A is equals to 4. It's mean we can make 4 subset of the given set. P of A is equals to, first I will make null set, after that only X, after that only Y, and after that the original set XY. Null set, X and Y. These sets are subset, but these are proper subsets. but the subset XY is an improper subset. Now comes to the question number 4. Question number 4. List the members of the intersection of each pair of sets. Number 1 example is ABC. First set is ABC and the second is B. What is the common element in between these two sets? Only B. That's why the member of the intersection of these two sets is B. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have two sets here and we have to find out the members of intersection between these two sets. What are the common elements in between 2? 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is the answer. Now comes to the last example of this question. We have one set has member O and the second set has member E. What is the common element in between these two sets? We don't have any common element in between these two. That's why the member of intersection are none. We will write only empty set here.